Hello and welcome to this episode of Ask the Expert. My name is Alex and I'm part of the Smart Factory consulting team at Trumpf. Today I would like to talk about an important part of our work which provides our customers a solid databases for optimization potential. In order to identify these for a later generation of improvements, we use so-called tools. These have become established in our work and can be individually adapted to each customer. Productivity analysis, evaluations for future storage capacities, or even profitability calculations. In total, we cover a variety of topics that can increase the success of our customers. Our tools are neither secret nor are they rocket science. Here, proper handling is the key to success. Within factory planning, this can be done at various points. Let me give you some examples. To examine your indirect process, we use a swim lane analysis. This allows us, for example, to identify additional work or media breaks in your flow of information. So we can develop suggestions for improvement that are individually tailored to your needs. We screen the productivity of your production equipment with a multi-moment study to find approaches to avoid non-productive time. Possible optimization potentials of intralogistics we can discuss by using a spaghetti or Sankey diagram. With an overview of your material usage, you can evaluate together with us your future storage capacity of your materials. Wherever you want to improve, we will be there with our experience to make you more successful. Thanks for watching this episode. I hope to hear from you soon. Check out our other videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave your comments. See you next time.